They are providing the psychological first aid service to the people who have destroyed their home and they are living in the tent, and they will do it in the group. So we have four facilitators who are organizing this first aid support, and after the basic information, they provide them like how to be safe from the upcoming earthquake, as well as like how to be out of the fear. They will provide basic information, and then they will move to do the health checkup there with our nurse. And if they have any kind of health problem, we provide the general medicine too. And still, if they need more information and more treatment, and if they have any kind of risk in health, we refer them to other hospital and other places where we can get the free services. And together with the health checkup, we have two psychosocial counselors who provides the psychosocial counseling individual level. We select the people, the women, and especially girls, if they have any kind of more problem, and for this kind of group only we provide psychosocial counseling, because we have not many human resources and we cannot provide counseling.
So did all of these people lose their houses after the first earthquake?
Yeah.
Have they been sleeping here for 3 weeks now?
Yeah.
Okay.
They are here, and some other organizations are providing foods. So we are providing health services, psychosocial counseling, and if you find any girls who are in difficult situation, who are in risk of abuse and trafficking, we rescue them from the place and we take to our center. So, and while we do the medical checkup, if we find anyone who are menstruating and they need pads and something else, we provide it together with our other kind of support.